Hi everyone and welcome back again on IELTS Speaking, your all-time IELTS speaking partner. And today we are going to drop IELTS exam prediction for 8th August 2020 IELTS exam. So before proceeding, make sure to subscribe this channel as we teach IELTS online, and we also share the latest updates regarding IELTS and immigration to get the I can say to enjoy complete IELTS course for 100% free. Hit the subscribe button now, press the bell icon to get notifications of our latest updates and videos. And here we are going with the prediction. To talk about listening part 1, there will be fill in the blanks and they would be easy. In part 2, there will be multiple choice questions and that could too be easy. In part 1, the fill in the blanks could be like there will be 10 questions and there could be like write no more than 2 or 3 words. And the thing is that there could be an application form like structure that there will be 10 questions in a single form and you have to answer, or there could be 2 tables like a tabular form with 5 or 6 questions in one table, or 4 or 5 questions in another table with the same pattern, write no more than 2 or 3 words. In part 2, there will be multiple choice questions and could be easy. In part 3, again multiple choice questions here, and along with MCQ you could get map and they would be easy. Might be moderate but that would be easy. In part 4, again there will be fill in the blanks, but here pattern could be changed like write no more than 1 or 2 words, and the same thing will be here. There could be a single application form like structure or a tabular form like structure that you have to I can say write your answers. Like in one table there could be 5 or 6 questions, or in another table there could be 4 or 5 questions, same as the part 1, but there would be a difference in the I can say word limit. To talk about reading, in reading section 1 there could be fill in the blanks and along with that true false not given, and they're going to be easy. In section 2 there would be list of headings, multiple choice questions, and along with that fill in the blanks, easy to moderate somewhat, questions could be tricky. Fill in the blanks could be like you suppose you have a 5 fill in the blanks, and you a table will be given to you with 8 or 9 or 7 or 8 options, and you have to choose the right option from that table after reading that, I can say after finding that answer from paragraph, and that would be somewhat rephrased in another language, and you have to choose that from table and enter as you do in your regular IELTS reading practice test. Those who are just new and watching this prediction for some guesses, so make sure to subscribe our IELTS reading channel to get the latest real exam IELTS reading tasks, listening channel for listening tasks, writing for writing stuff, and speaking as of now you're watching. Section 3, and there could be yes no not given, and along with that match the information. That could be something like same, that there would be a sentence given that in which paragraph this information is this, or you have to match information by picking up some I can say options from the table. It will be like match information will be like the same you do in your practice test. Okay, to talk about writing academic task 1, there could be pie and then chances for line, then table, then bar chart designed as per the chances. So make sure to do all, but that is a prediction that you could get pie, more chances than line, then table, then bar graph. Task 2 could be related to education, language, crime, work, social media, money, family, society, news, or food. And pattern could be followed like agree, disagree, to what extent you agree, disagree, discuss both views, or merits or demerits, designed as per the chances. So I hope you found this prediction helpful. If you have any query regarding IELTS and immigration, just comment down and we will try best to help you guys out. Till then, take care, keep watching, keep enjoying IELTS speaking, listening, reading, and writing. Goodbye.